Hi, good day. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to publish your app on Google Play. So I already assume that you have completed your app creation process and you are on this download your app tab. You want to download your app to test on your mobile phone and then upload to Google Play. Bear in mind that we often receive questions when users finish creating their app. They just say, I searched my app on Google Play and I can't find it. Your app does not automatically appear on Google Play. You have to register for Google Play developer account and then upload the app you have created to Google Play. Then Google will review your app, and if it meets their policies, it will be approved. So let's get started on how to publish your app on Google Play. So like I said earlier, I assume that you are done with your app creation process, and what is left now is to download the app and upload to Google Play. Be informed that you need an active subscription to be able to download your app APK or AAB file or source code. So now I have activated a yearly white label subscription. There are list of subscriptions that you can actually subscribe to be able to download your app on Google Play. So let's get started. So let's assume that your app has been activated. You've subscribed to an actual plan, and then you just scroll down. Here is where you actually enter your app name. You can change your app name at any time here. Bundle ID is used to identify your app on App Store, while package name is used to identify your app on Google Play. So I'm going to change both of these to my app name. Text scanner. You need to put something like .com, like com.ios.text scanner. Then I'm going to enter the same for Android and change this to Android. You can change your app bundle to whatever you like. Just ensure that it has come at the beginning. Okay, so I'm going to click on save. And let me add OCR at the back of this. OCR at the back of this, and then click save. Okay, so I have entered the general information for my app. Remember that your app is also accessible from a web link. You can access it by clicking this here. You open the app from anywhere on the web, either a website, or you can just copy this link and paste it in your browser. So I'm going to just close this now, and this page is for monetizing your app. So you can enter your AdMob ID to monetize your app, but that's not what we're going to. So download your app. What you need to download is either APK or AAB file. But because I have generated APK for this app before, that is why this is appearing. If you just activated your subscription, the only thing you will see is just this 1.0. These two buttons will not be here. So I'm going to generate a new APK now by clicking on generate APK. So it's going to reload the entire system. So it says the status is pending, so I will have to wait for like 1 minute before the APK is generated. So while I am waiting, I'll just go to the other tab where I've opened my Google Play. Remember, Google Play sells developer account for $25, so you actually need to purchase that to be able to publish your app. To publish your app, you can just search on the internet on your browser. Just search Play Console. If you search Play Console, it's going to just the first these ones are hard, but the first results, just click on it, this particular one, /app/publish. So it's going to take you to this page. So it asks me to choose a developer account. This is our developer account where I want to publish the app, so I'll just click on it. Mind you, ensure that you have prepared screenshots for your app. You've prepared screenshots for your apps, and then you have prepared the text that you want to enter. You have prepared it for your app. So let's get on it. So here are other apps that we have published. So I want to create a new one. You always find this button right here. So click this button and then enter your app name. The app name is Text Scanner. Image to text. Image to text. Just open brackets. OCR technology. Then close bracket. Or let me just put ordinary OCR. So this is where you enter your app name. This is where this app name is the one that appears as the name of your app on Google Play. So you enter it here. And app or game. This is an app, this is not a game. So I'm going to choose app. Free or paid. The app is free, it's not a paid one. So you need to accept all these agreements. So this is for the developer program policies. Ensure that you read the program policy so your app does not get suspended or your a developer account does not get terminated. So if you read the policies, you will see the list of possible violations that may cause them to remove your app from Google Play or entirely suspend your developer account. So ensure that you read it. So I'm going to check it. I've read it before. Play app sign in. Ensure that you check this as well, and then you check this as well, and then click create app. So my app is being created. Okay, my app is being created. All right, my app has been created. So what to do now is to fill in information about my app and then just entirely get started. So I'm going to click on it says start testing now. No, I'm not releasing my app in testing, I'm releasing it in live version. So I'm going to scroll to set up your app and then click on view task. It says app access. I'm going to click on this one. It's asking me if my app is accessible without login. Yes, it is. I'm going to click this one, but if it is not, you can click the second you can tick this second one and enter your login details and then go back. So you see that this app access has been ticked. So I'm going to go to ads. It's asking me if my app contains ads. Yes, it does. So I'm going to click save. If your app contains ads, do not click no, my app does not contain ads. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard. You see that the ads has been ticked as well. Say content rating. Now it's time to rate the content of my app. I'm going to start the questionnaire. I'm going to enter the email address here to support at swiftspeed.org. So I'm going to select the category. The category is okay. So this is the category. It's under utility and productivity app. So I'm going to click next. So now I'm going to answer a little bit of questionnaire about my app. It said, does my app contain violence? No, it does not. Sexuality? No, it does not. Languages like abusive languages or offensive languages? No, it does not. Controlled substances like illegal drugs? No, it does not. Promotion of age restricted product or activities? No, it does not. Miscellaneous, does the app natively allow users to interact or exchange content? No, it does not. Does the app shares the current physical location? No, it does not. Purchase digital goods? No, it does not. No, it does not. No, it does not. It's not a search engine. So after answering all these questions, I'm going to click save. I'm going to click next, so it generates my app age rating. So the rating is plus 3+. So I'm going to click on submit. I'm going to go back to dashboard again. So we've had all these ticked. Now my targeted audience, I'm targeting 13 to 15 above. So I'm going to click next. Could your app listing appeal to children? No, it does not. Okay, and I'm going to click save. Alright, so that's all. Then I'm going to go back to dashboard. You see this 4 has been ticked. Now news app. It said, is your app a news app? No, it is not. I'm going to go back. Manage how your app is organized and presented. So app categories. App or game, it is an app. Select categories. What category can this fit in? I'm going to select productivity. Add tags. I can just search OCR. It's not font. Text. Okay. Appears that there is no suitable tag for the app, so I'm just going to leave it. Our email address would be support@swiftspeed.org. Phone number, no, I don't want that to be listed. Website, I can put ocr.swift https ocr.swiftspeed.org. So you enter your website here and then the email address. This email address that you can be contacted with if a user has inquiry from your Google Play listing. So external marketing, yes, I want Google to advertise my app outside of Google Play. They need to do so. I'm going to click. Okay, what is wrong? Enter if valid website URL. Oh, sorry, I didn't include this. Okay, now that's done. So I'm going to go back to dashboard, and then you can see all these as remark. Now set up store listing. Okay, you can see the name of my app. Now I want to enter a short description. Such short description is the little bits of descriptions that you see when you open Google Play. All right. When you click on an app on Google Play, so you see a short description about it, and then there's long full one when you click on more. So I've already written my description here, so I'm going to click on. I'm going to just copy this, and I'm going to paste it here as my short description. Then my long description. This is it. So you must have written a description about your app on ground. Here is the long description, and I just pasted it, and I'm going to have to upload the app icon now. So I'm going to click on upload, and I'm going to click on this. I'm going to find the images, so this is the icon. I'm going to upload it. So it says the recommended size is 512 that's 512. That's the recommended size of the icon that you're supposed to upload. So next one is featured image. I'm going to upload featured image. Okay. Featured image is being uploaded. Then YouTube video. If you make a YouTube video, if you have a YouTube video for your app, you can just upload it here. But I did not, so just put a link here, and then Google Play will play your video when the users want to download your app. Okay, so now I'm going to upload the phone screenshot. So I'm going to click upload, go to Android screenshot, I'm going to mark it 3 4. I'm going to upload the 5 of them. Just hold on a little while they are being uploaded. Then for tablet, I will upload similar screenshot for tablet. Just put 2 of it. The only one that is compulsory is this phone one that you must upload. Then for 10-inch sized screen, I'm going to still, okay, let me upload this one instead. Okay, you can see all my images. You see they've been uploaded. You can see it. You can see it. The images have been uploaded. I just need to rearrange it. This goes first, then this, and then this. So this one come down. So you can drag and rearrange your image screenshot, depends on how you want it. So all the screenshot has been uploaded. I'm going to click save, and then I'm going to go back to dashboard. You can see that under testing, I said I'm not testing the app. So under here, this is what we finished the first task. Then this is the remaining tasks that is left to be done. Here it says select countries and region where you want your app to be available. So I want my app to be available in all countries and regions. I'm going to click here and select all, then and click hard. 176 country, then click hard. It says select a tester. If you have a texter, you can just fill in this one, but I do not want to select any tester for now. So I'm going to go to create a new release. This is where you now have to upload your actual app. So it says you should upload your app bundle here. You should upload your app bundle here. So I'm going to go to my publish under Swiftspeed Appcreator. Go back. It says the status is still pending. Just refresh. Okay, you can see that the both APK and AAB file has been generated. So I'm going to click download AAB. My file is being downloaded. textscanner.aab. You can see the AAB file has now been downloaded, 10.2 MB. Then I'll go back to Google Play, and then I'll click on upload. I'll go to download tab, and then you see the AAB file I just downloaded, 10.7 MB. I'm going to upload it. So it's uploading. It's currently uploading. It's currently uploading. It is currently uploading. So Google should automatically generate a release name for me after the app has been downloaded, but release note I have to type in myself. So I'm going to type release note as I'm going to interface updated first release. So your subsequent release, you can edit this. This is where Google expects you to put all the changes that you make in case you update your app on Swiftspeed Appcreator. All you have to do is regenerate the AAB and APK file and then re-upload to Google Play. But not all the time. Depends on the type of changes that you make. If you change your app icon or your app name, then you definitely have to republish to Google Play. But if you maybe change something within the feature of your app, you don't have to republish. So now my AAB file is still uploading, so let's wait until it's done. Okay, so the AAB file has been uploaded. You can see the file right here, and then it has automatically generated release name for me, version 1.0. So I'm going to click save, and then I'm going to click review and release. So it shows one error. It says your APK version that requires the following permission. Okay, I need to set privacy policy of my app. To get the privacy policy of your app, go to your Swiftspeed Appcreator, go to settings, go to terms and condition, and then here is the link. So just click on it. Just click on it and then copy this link, this particular link. Go back to Google Play and then go and update your privacy policy. Click on dashboard here and then click set privacy policy here and then click paste the link you copied earlier and then click save. So now then go back to dashboard and go back to production. Production is where you release your app. Go to create new release. I don't know what happened to the initial one because it is not appearing here anymore. So anyways, I'm going to re-upload the AAB file and then I'm going to enter first release here as the new changes. There's been no changes because it is the first release, so I just enter first release here and then I'll wait till the AAB file is uploaded. When the AAB file is uploaded, it will automatically generate the release name here. So let's wait. Okay, so the app bundle has been uploaded. So you can see it has automatically generated a released name for me and all is good. So I'm going to click save here and I'm going to click this review button. Showing an error, no country or region have been selected. No countries or region have been selected. Okay. But I'm just going to go to production here and try to go to countries and region. Click add. I'm going to add all countries. The one we added earlier was for testing. It wasn't necessary, but to release your app on production, to make it live to people on Google Play, it has to be under production. So I'm going to select all and then I'm going to add countries. I'm going to click add. So I've added all the country. Then I'm going to go back to the release and I'm going to go to edit release. I'm going to click this button right here. Remember that my app bundle has been uploaded, the release name has been entered, and release notes has been updated as well. So I'm just going to go to review and release. Okay, so there is no more error. That means the app is ready to be live on Google Play. So immediately you click this button, your app will be submitted to the Google Play team and your app will be reviewed. If pass, your app will be published officially on Google Play and users will be able to access and download your app from there. So I'm going to click start rollout to production. It says this release will be available to all users on Google Play in your chosen country. That's about 176 country that we choose while we're filling our store listing. So I'm going to click rollout. Make sure that everything you feel is correct. But don't worry, if it is not correct, you can always update and make changes. So I'm going to click rollout. Okay, so my app has been submitted and it says in review. You can see it says in review. That means my app is currently being reviewed. So 176 countries, supported device and all of that. So that is how to publish your app on Google Play. Google Play will review your app. If you pass their review stage, your app will be published on Google Play Store. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, kindly send an email to support@swiftspeedappcreator.com. Thank you.